as in the Nashville area goes, what we offer is more of a homely vibe. It's not as stiff in here as a lot of the other stores. The parents don't feel like they have to drop their kids off and leave, and then come back and pick them up. You can come hang out. And you can see we have the dog in the store, and if you got extra kids, like a lot of our parents do, one wants to take music lessons, the others want to play baseball. So the one that wants to play music lesson does his music lesson, and the other kids throw the ball for the dog.